Hello and welcome to my channel. It's late, it's me time, and I will show you what I made today. So, I made a kindle strap, and it's like a loop, so you can comfortably hold it. I made two sizes, and one is shorter, better for smaller e-reader, and the other one is for bigger one, but you can choose. So I will show you how I made it. I made bunch of today, a lot of fails. First I made not as a loop, but folded these two straps together, and then it just, I don't know why, but I made that, and I think it's perfect, and it's super cute, and it's perfect way to use your scraps. So I have all my scraps here. For the smaller one, you need 6.5 inches by 3.5 inches fabric. Oops. I have it here. And then 2 centimeters and 1 inch smaller than this. In inches is like that. Centimeters, it's like almost 2 centimeters. And 5.5 inches. So that's what you need. Plus you need 2 of these claw clips. And first you have your fabric. Iron it half, then iron these sides together so you get it like folded little thingy. Take your padding, try to put evenly when here, and put it under one of the folds, and then fold it together like that, and then add 2 of the claw clips. It doesn't matter what way you're doing them, you can turn them later. So put this on, and just sew the circle together, open the ends, and put the right sides together. Like that. You're going to sew it here together. So take it to your machine and let's sew the edge together. Like that. I'll sew the edge together here. It's a little hard to do it with the iron, so just take your fingers and press down the middle part here. Just press it down. And now we're gonna turn it all back into place. I like to do this side first, where is the padding. So just turn it back down. It is a little tricky, but do your best. Once this is down, so try to do the other side how it was before we turned the edges open. Try to line up the stitches. It is a little tricky, but just try your best so that you can feel it's evenly in here. So when you put it in, then just like stretch it a little bit to feel the fabric so it's all nice and evenly. So now you're gonna go to machine and you're gonna sew this side together all around and top stitch other side together. Let's go do that. It is a little tricky since it is so small, but again, try your best. Just first I usually do this side and then I'll do the other side. Just get it in here and do it. I just did this edge here all around. Now let's do this side. Both sides are done now, and you cut it, finish cutting the thread, then just pull it like that and find the best part you can sew. Or I usually put this under here. And just sew it together here and sew it this side too, and then it's ready. And it's ready. How pretty is that? And you can just start using it, and you can use all of the scraps and to make it. And if you have Kindle girlies, then why not make a gift for them? I think it's super pretty and functional. Okay, thank you, bye.